friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox LOL dolls, but it's a big LOL dolls. Yeah. First we'll look at the box. It says I am a fashion doll, and it says OMG. That's 20 surprises. That's 20 surprises. And her name is Mrs. Independent. So yeah, and here it says Aces. Oh, and it says here, it says Aces. We are sisters. Oh wait, we are sisters. It says. Let's unbox it. Oh, it's in here. Oh, I can remove like there was a thing. There was something in it. Okay, just so I've took out the tape. So let's open it. But it says to start here. But if I pull here, it's not good. It's coming actually. No, I got a knife to cut here because there was a tape here. I think you can't see it where it's here. I'm gonna take it. Oh yeah, took it off. Oh, it's like this. OMG. Oh my god. I love this doll. First everything I describe. So adorable. Look at it. 1 minute. Sorry guys if I disturb. Wow, she's so cute. It has a comb too. Unboxing fashion dress me. Oh my god. Listen to the beat in your art and turn up the volume on your dress. Sorry, dreams. Wow, it's so adorable. Look guys, I finally opened it. Oh no, she has in her head too. Go up. Look at the. Wow. She's so cute. Look at her nails. So cute, right? So cute. Okay, let's unbox the surprises. The handbag. Here was the surprises. Wow. Oh, there was a tape here too. So much of tape. Oh, what's this? Wow. Glasses like this, but it won't suit me up. Jewels. Earrings. One more earrings. That's it. Let me put this thing in the box, in a jewels box, and our glasses too. Should be safe. And one poster up. It takes me like 15 minutes to put a dress. It's so hard to put a dress. So let's comb my hair. So sure. Like smooth. Oh, she has like black hair. She looks so cute. She looks so cute. So let's put a high yield. Oh my. I put one on one leg. Another leg, let's put this thing. Oh my god. She's a fashion girl, guys. She's a fashion girl. Just like a cute girl. Yeah, a cooling glasses. Oh, don't you want cooling glasses? Yeah. Okay, now let's put our earrings. Oh, her eyes is so big, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you later. Subscribe, like, and share.